Hi everybody, I just picked up this Doom Scythe model. I'm going to add this to my LED Necron army, the LED Necrons, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to build this thing. So stay tuned to see what I do here on Modeled. Model! Okay, I just had to move, and this is a new apartment, and I have to paint and everything, so this is my first night here, and instead of painting, I'm building models. Figure that, eh? I just been moving all day. I just don't feel like starting a painting right now, so when I get at it, I'll get right at it, but let's do the Doom Scythe model. Okay, so let's open this up. Now, I got a little bit of ideas what I want to do. I'm just not sure. But let's see what we got. We got 2 sprues. Hope the lighting's good. I just set it up really quick. 2 sprues, flying stand, which I usually always paint black instead of the clear plastic. I don't like the plastic. I don't know, something about it scratches. If it was glass, maybe I'd keep it clear, but I usually always end up painting it black. I think you don't see it more when it's black than you do when it's clear. And we got a base, which I can't get out, and some decals, which I haven't done any of these yet on any of my models, because I'm always afraid to do decals. I need a good system. I really don't know how to do them well. They always peel off, but when I figure it out, I'll do it. And we got a little booklet, so I guess you could build the Doom Scythe or the Night Scythe. Now let's just see, let's go through the book first. Okay, so like, what am I going to build? I don't know, I just got one. So I guess judging by the 2 sprues, looks pretty easy to build. Doesn't look that complicated. Not like the Toon Blades or something, or yeah, look at that. Okay, now so far it's all the same. This weapon looks like a Tesla, something Tesla, so I don't know how strong that is. Then we got the difference here with the Doom Scythe and Night Scythe. We got the Death Ray, and we got something here. They don't label what it is, so I guess it's an option. So see, I LED, so I don't usually magnetize with an LED because that would be very difficult. You need electronic connections too if you add it all to the same battery. But I don't know what to pick here. Should I just pick one, or should I just not LED this gun here? But that looks like that Death Ray looks pretty cool. You want to LED that, eh? So should I just make the Doom Scythe, or should I magnetize both and not LED any of them? Or should I make the Night Scythe and try to LED that? I don't even know what this stuff is. I haven't looked at it yet, but we'll see. I can also LED the Doom Scythe and maybe just LED this separate, put like a little battery pack inside this thing, some little watch batteries, and then magnetize it and have both. I could do that too. That would be interesting. So many options. So anyways, this video is just an open box and idea video. It might be a part 3 series, it might be a part 2 series, I'm not sure. We'll see how long the video goes, but basically I'm going to, this video I'm just ideas. Next video is going to be electronics, and the last video maybe painting and putting it all together. So we'll see how it goes, but might be 1 video, might be 3, we'll see. I don't know yet, so you'll find out when you're watching this, you'll know. So let's check the next page. Here we got a picture, and we got the Doom Scythe. Okay, it doesn't have the Night Scythe in here. Okay, the Death Ray anyways. 24 inches, heavy D3, 10 strength. Ooh, that's pretty strong. And a Tesla Destructor, 24 range, assault 4, strength 7, damage 1 each hit. So just like a normal Tesla, except a higher strength, 4 dice though. Flyer, supersonic, crash and burn, hard to hit. Mind you, these are probably old rules. There's new flyer rules, Doom Scythe, Doom Scythe. So different languages. So there's no Night Scythe here, but I noticed that before. So I got my book open. So we got the Night Scythe here. I didn't read any of this yet. But the difference between the two, I went to Idic Beer. I always go to Idic Beer. Whenever I got a new Necron model I don't know nothing about, I go to Idic Beer. So check him out. He's the master of the Necrons. Anything you want to know about Necrons, go to him. So it looks like almost the same thing, except Death Ray and Invasion Beams. Invasion Beams, it's like a transport, you could transport units with that. My Necron army is only 1,800 points so far. I don't got many units, so for transport, I'm not worried about transporting units yet. I got my Satan or Catan if I want to transport units. So I think if I'm going to just pick to do one, I'll do the Doom Scythe over the Night Scythe, but like then again I could do both. Probably in the future I'll probably be getting more models of these flyers. Probably be nice to have 3 total in your collection. But I only got 1 Doomsday Arc, and I'd probably like to have 3 of them too. But I want to change it up, so that's why I got a Doom Scythe. So I am probably going to build a Doom Scythe, but I am undecided on making both and making the battery pack for both. So I guess here's the Death Ray. So I'd have to try to make, maybe put 2 watch batteries in that part right there. Right? Put the wire through and try to make some funky light come out of here. Yeah, that's kind of big enough to do that, so yeah, I'm probably going to do that. So there'll be separate battery pack for that, magnetize it, so I'll make it both, yeah, there we go. So what we got in the sprue here? We got the Tesla. What's this here? I don't know. You guys could tell me. We got a Tesla here, and then we got like, it looks like another Tesla, but like thinner. So it's just like a different look. So it gives you 2 different looks. Not sure, maybe. Well, we'll see. Whatever the LED. I think this will be better for LEDing it. We'll see. That's good, actually. Kind of happy with that. And this screw here, just got the main body. Nothing fancy there. Looks like a pretty easy model to put together. Painting always takes a long time. Like you could just paint it silver and wash it and dry brush it and be done with it and it'll still look great. But I just can't do that. And I can't just do the common color scheme either. You know, I like to try to do something different, you know. Sometimes like I do the same color scheme, like I'm at a loss, I just don't know what to do for certain models and I just do the same color scheme. But I already got my color scheme for my Necron, so I don't have to worry about that. So you've seen it already, the purple and blue, sort of funky blue. So now how am I going to LED this? You know what I mean? Do I just want like blinking lights? You know, I'm going to do the guns for sure. And then we got a couple options here to put LEDs, right? The more LEDs, the more power too, right? So I'm thinking, I'm kind of weighing on a Knight Rider type idea. You know what I mean? I have to make a circuit though. I can't just put LEDs, resistors, and batteries. I'll actually have to make a circuit. You know, with a chip or some transistors. I'll probably put that in the electronic video, obviously, but I'm thinking, see these things here? I'm assuming they go around, or there's 3 here, there's 3 there. Okay, so maybe like the Knight Rider, you know what I mean, where it goes or goes now these guns going. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun. You know, the gist of my other Necron army, I just wanted to get it done, and because it's still at 1,800 points, you know, it took me like 8 months or something like that, and you know, I just wanted to get the gist so I could play the game with it, right? And now I got it, and I played some games, so now I could take my time and try to be creative with the LEDing now. And so I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do like the Necron or the Knight Rider. If you're too young, you never seen Knight Rider, just say Google Knight Rider GIF or something, and you'll see the nice black car with the lights going back and forth like this. And I think that's what it's gonna look like. Anyways, that's my idea so far. Who knows how it's going to turn out? It always changes. Usually always changes as you go. You might run into problems, say screw it. But that's what we got so far. So I'm hoping to have this done. Stay tuned for video number 2. I should have this model done within a month or a month and a half. I'm not sure, depending on my time, because I'm moving. I'm very busy, but I have a thing with Mini Wargaming, a narrative campaign, and I'm already in on it. I have 2 armies that they said I'm in, but I don't know what army they want me to play or whatever. But if I'm playing the Necrons, I'd like to have another unit to add to my army. Maybe make this 2,000 points. So hopefully I can get it done by January. So anyways, I'm going to put this video up as soon as I can edit it. Right now it's November 1st. So, and I don't have access to the internet or the computer right now, so whenever I edit it, I'm going to put it up. And then stay tuned for videos 2 and 3. Oh, there's my phone. Okay, thank you for watching. See ya.